Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video on my channel. Today we're going to be doing the GMOD race, the second part.
We're going to be doing it.
I'm going to include Quartermaster's audio. This is the follow-up of the part 1. Go check that video out, link in the description down below in my channel. Go check out Quartermaster's 2 channel, I'll leave that in the description as well down below. Let's start this. So, in the last video, we showed you how to do.
Okay, Marcus, click start on the thing. We'll just have it like this. We'll just have our cars like this. Alright?
What?
Wait, I've got to change something. I've got to get these as well, Marcus. Put on your car.
Oh yeah.
Okay, I'm ready, Marcos.
Hold on. I'm just gonna put in some trails. Alright, now let's do this.
Oh, I have to click it on.
Alright.
Okay, it's done. Get in your car, Marcos.
Alright, we will. Let's do this. 3, 5. Alright. Initializing. Let's go! By the way, we're doing it with AI. Oh, I crashed already. This is how bad I am at driving. Quartermaster's winning in the lead. AI is crashing me a bunch. I am lost. Silly AIs.
Yeah, I'm gonna beat this.
Why am I so slow now? And I crashed. Really? Why? I'm so bad at driving all the time.
Don't get angry.
Every time I race.
Oh, look, the AI ran into the tree.
Did you do it on my car or not? I'm the worst at driving. Did you do it on my car?
Do what on your car?
That, racing.
Oh, it doesn't matter because we got footage anyways who wins.
Alright, I'm gonna lose this. I know this.
You in the tunnel, Marcos?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm in the tunnel as well.
I crashed. I'm done. I don't get it. This, my WASD was so battered up. I need to fix my turning.
Marcus, do you play G? Why don't you do a video of Energy Drive as well? Just do a video.
Yeah, I'll do that. You need to get it so we can do it together.
I don't have it. Okay. Yeah, I came first.
Again.
First,
Why does it turn? For no reason.
Oh my gosh! You came last, I think. Oh, where's the other one?
It got stuck in a tree.
Oh, you came first. Good job. Alright, gonna end the video here, Marcos?
No, not really. I think we should do
Alright.
Oh, it blew off! Come on! We'll go to the bowling alley. We haven't shown them the bowling alley. If you have GMOD, download No
Marcos,
Bennett.
where are you? Do you wanna go and catch the train?
Because this is the best game ever. Oh no, wouldn't we get copyright strikes if we play the music? Wouldn't we get copyright strike? Hold on. I just lost connection to Quartermaster. I'm gonna just go back to Paul. Hello? Alright, there we go. I just lost hello?
Marcos, just end the video, I edit mine.
Alright. I'm gonna end the video here. Hope you guys enjoyed this race. See you all next video.